Hello everyone and welcome to the Audi Etron. I will show you the car a bit outside and inside. Let's go! Whee! Okay, look at the key as always. Key, not a lot of function. Close. 2 tap for trunk opening. And of course lock and unlock. No. Where's focus? There we are. And no. Okay, closing doesn't work. Let's go look around. Door handles don't retract. Little camera here. Cameras everywhere. Charging port looks good. Not as flimsy as other ones, and it closes itself. That's nice. LED headlights, of course. The wheels are massive. 21 inch, 265, 45R, 2108H. Yeah, what's weird is when you open the trunk, it just goes up to this height, and then you have to push it, so it goes up higher. That's amazingly annoying. Already hit my head. What is that about? And it's still not very high for a big car. We have nice lights here in the back. No 12-volt outlet as far as I can. Oh yeah, we have one. There is one. A little net. On this side is nothing. Trunk has a good size. That's nice to work with. 2 buttons. One is to close. One is so lock, and one is to close. Look at the back seats. Back seats have normal door openers. Again, like with the I-Pace, air vents in the door or the B pillar. We have a little armrest. With a little thing in here. Does this? Fancy schmancy. It's nice. We have air vents here. The I-Pace didn't have any here. Little display for the climate. Down there we have 2 USB. One is for charging. One is also to get data into the car. So USB drive or whatever. And a 12-volt outlet. Up here we have little LED lights. Both can be switched. I don't see any other light in the back than this. We have coat hanger thingies, and every seat has those grips. I like those. I like those very much. What do we have here? Nothing. What does this do? No. Okay. See the front. For the front, opens like any other thing. And no, can I do it or not? Yes, I can. So it looks like normal engine bay, and then you can open this and you have your charging equipment in there. And I think, can you lock this? Because I see keys in there. Maybe this is for the glove box. And your washer fluid. Look at the glove box. Okay. Both seats here have memory seats. A lot of settings. And you can do it not just on the seat. The glove box is a good size. Has a light. That's nice. We have to hear the thing. So you can adjust the seats via the infotainment system as well. The door pockets are very big. That's a good size. You can open the trunk. Of course, to safety for the windows in the back, and folding mirrors, heating mirrors, memory function for the seats, unlock and lock the doors. Oh, maybe I should show you from outside. You have the same functions for the seat, and light functions are here. Air vents are everywhere. It's true. Steering wheel. A few buttons to go around your system. Down there is cruise control and everything. Here is for your media. You can talk, and of course here normal windshield wipers and everything. Back here are the pedal shifters, left and right, to change the cruise control. And everything, every time I turn on the car, use cruise control, change drive modes, region is off. That's annoying. In the middle we have a very deep pocket. Camera, yes. That looks good. And we have this middle thing in here with a 12-volt outlet there, and 2 USB SD card reader, and even a cell phone card. The armrest and the buttons. These are all the buttons that you have. The rest is infotainment system. So start, stop, all the cameras for parking. This is your gear selector with this, parking brake, volume, and next, forward or next, and backwards and previous for your media. And then here you have drive select for your drive mode, ESC off, max heat to defog your windows and to defrost the back windows. Let's get in there. See the steering wheel. Yeah, your climate screen is cute. All settings you can imagine. So heated seats, 1, 2, 3. Cooled seats, 1, 2, 3. Can do it. Takes a bit. AC on and off. AC Eco, cool. Temperature here. If you can sync it or not sync it. And when you do this, then it syncs it. So it's like a small when you zoom out a movement on your cell phone. And of course climate off. Up here is, I think this is for when you go down the hill, that you can see it, that you can adjust the speed. You can different things for your home screen. That's cute. That's cute. This is for head-up display, to change things and to turn off your infotainment system. Now it's off. Can you see the dirt? And oh my god, I have to park somewhere else to do that. And switch climate back on. That's nice. Oh yes, I have to go into the shade.